Okay, let's restart the recording. Okay, the recording has been started. Okay, here we go, guys. Where's my Google Chrome? Okay, so if you go to your specific Moodle folder with the 08-2021, okay, so you can find, you can find the supporting document templates for the templates given. Okay, the two templates, the abstracting and modularizing for the program design, and one more is the testing and debugging, okay, the test case. Okay, so the second one is the sample of documentation. There are 3 different samples. If you look at the 3 different samples, okay, all 3 samples are different. Okay, not 100% similar. So if you have some questions regarding your own documentation, make sure, okay, you can always, you know that you can always messaging me personally, okay, personally through the meeting chat. You know that you can always message me and I will reply, okay, but of course I will reply from the bottom below message. So that's mean you need to wait lah. It's not that I won't reply. I will reply. Every message I will reply. You know that I will reply. So make sure you just wait. Okay. So you don't spam the team's message. If you already message, just wait for my reply. Because if you keep spamming my message, then your message becoming to the top. Then what happened, guys? When your message become to the top, then your turn will be late because I will reply follow based, okay, from the bottom. For the first student who message first, then I will reply that message first. Okay, that means it's a FIFO, first in, first out. Okay, so just wait for my reply. Clear? Okay, Ilalam. I saw Ilalam having a question. Says Ilalam.
Excuse me, miss. When is the deadline?
Huh?
When is the submission deadline, miss?
Oh, deadline? Week 12. So your week 12 will be on 18th of October because this week is week 10. Next week, week 11. So 18. So the whole week you can submit until 22nd of October. That is the
Okay,
date.
miss. Thank you.
Cover page, yes, I will give you the cover page since few of you asking for a cover page for me. So I will upload later in the Moodle. Okay, most probably today lah I will upload. Okay, a few of you asking for the cover page. Yes, I will give you the cover page. Okay, and then in the Moodle as well under the supporting materials. Okay, section. Okay, any other question before we proceed to our lesson today? Any other questions? Any other questions?
No.
I'm assume no lah, because you are keep quiet, then I assume no when you keep quiet. Okay? Okay. So let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed. Open your snap. So what we want to do today? What we want to learn today? Okay, so we already learned about the procedure using the broadcasting and receiving. Okay, the broadcasting and receiving message we have learned last week. Am I right, guys? Do you still remember the one that you learned last week? You can respond by unmute, okay, your microphone, guys. Because I already opened the snap, I didn't see the Microsoft Teams. Okay. Do you still remember the one that you have learned last week?
We learned broadcast, Miss.
Yes, yeah, broadcasting and receiving, the procedure. Okay. Did you still remember?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Because what you will learn, okay, this week onward, it will be related. So you need to know how to use the broadcasting and the receive message. Okay, so here we go. Today, okay, remember during our lecture class topic about the procedure and function, we do have the custom block. Okay, we do have the custom block in the procedure as well. Okay, so today we will learn two types of command, okay, from these command palettes. The first one is the custom block, which is make a block. Custom block and make a block is the same thing, similar thing, is a similar thing. Okay, then the second one, we will learn pen. Okay, because when we already started learn about the procedure, okay, we will use, okay, the pen command as well. We will use the pen command as well. So today we will learn both. One is the custom block, another one is from the pen command. Okay, clear?
Clear, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Okay. Huh? Samuel, what you mean by run and run without continuation? Samuel? Oh, the custom block. You can have a continuation. I will show you how to create the custom block. Okay? Okay, here we go. So first, before I show you how to create the custom block and how to implement or use the custom block, we will learn about the pen command first. Okay, so how would you like to start your program? How would you like to start your program? I'm asking you, how would you like to start your program?
When a green flag clicked, Miss.
Okay, you want to use the when green flag click, can, no problem. Okay. Okay, so here we go. When a green flag click, so when you choose to use a pen, okay, when you choose to use a pen, make sure you want to draw the object or the shape again and again and again whenever you click the green flag. So did you still remember when we did the tutorial for the multiple broadcasting, the one with the this one, I think is I need to log in for this one, okay, okay, see, to open the cloud we need to log in here. I don't know lah, guys. Okay, in both, okay, so here we go. Okay, So the multiple broadcasting, I'm not sure whether we save it here or I save it in the, so I can also open from my computers. Okay, I can also open from my computers, guys. So that one, it will be from the BYOB because we can have a BYOB as well. If you still remember, okay, wait. So this one, the one that, okay, I need to draw again and again. I hope that you still remember the one with the pattern, the one with the pattern here. You should still remember the one with, we draw the sprite and then we stamp the pattern. You still remember that tutorial?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so I just want you to remember that part. Okay, it's not that we will use that. Okay, so to avoid that, we have a multiple, okay, drawing on our stage or on our screen. What we call? We call what? What command? Which command that we call? We call what? We call which command? We call which command? We don't want to have a multiple drawing on the stage. Whenever we click the run or the green flag, click again and again and again. So which command that we call?
Clear, Miss.
Okay, so we call clear. So first we have a clear. Okay, so good, very good. Okay, I'm very happy that you still remember. Okay, and then when we want to start using a pen command, make sure you put a setting for your pen. Which color you want to have for your shape or your object, okay? What size for your pencil or for your pen. So make sure you have a setting. How to create a setting? First, make sure you bring, after clear, you bring the pen up. What is the pen up? It's like when you holding a pen, okay? It's like when you holding a pen, you didn't wrote anything on a piece of paper, so you hold the pen up. So similar with that pen up. Later I will show, okay, why we need this pen up. Okay, once you have the pen up, let's we put the setting. So we want to have a color. We have two different setting color, guys. One, okay. Okay, one is the set pen color to a specific color. Okay, second one is we can set the pen hue, the color family, based on a pick randomly by the system or the application. So the application, we give the application to pick the color family. So if you don't know what is hue, okay, you can search color hue. Okay, so hue is, you can find the answer. Okay, the hue is for, is a properties, okay, of the color. So it's more to like, when we say green, so it will be based on the green color. So that yellow, blue, so it's a color, okay? So it's a group of color. So I will use set a pen hue because I like to have a different color for all, okay, my shape every time I run the application. So we can set the numbers up to us, okay? Then we know that the color is between 0 to 256. So you can set whatever, okay, value that you like. Okay, so next when we already set the pen color, of course, you guys can hear something?
No, miss.
I'm hearing someone is unmuted, and it's I can hear someone is like, I don't know, sneezing or whatever, but when I look at it, there's no one is unmuted, but I can hear that. Okay lah, let's we proceed again. Okay, so when we want, okay, the set color, we also want to set the pen size. Setting a pen size, we use this one. One will be very thin, the line. So if you want to have a thick pencil, you can put any numbers. Means the biggest the numbers you enter, the biggest, okay, or the thickest, okay, size of your pen will be, okay, and the shape will be very big lah, based on the size and the pen, okay, based on the shape, size later on that you will enter, and based on the pen size as well. Okay. So let's we proceed. Okay, we already put the set pen size, and don't forget to pen down because we want to start drawing a shape right now. If we didn't put the pen down, how we want to draw a shape? Okay, so first shape that I will teach you, okay, we will draw a basic shape. It's normal, guys. It's normal during the class. We teach you on how to draw a basic shape like a square, circle, triangle, polygon. Based on this basic shape, later on you will practice on how to draw an object. Like you want to draw an ice cream. Okay, ice cream is combination of the circle or the semicircle and the triangle, okay, or maybe semicircle with a square. So you will learn the basic shape. So that is what we want to do today. Okay, so let's we draw a square. We know square have 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. So using the repeat statement, we will have repeat 4. Okay, we will have repeat 4. I just want to draw a very small square. So it's like 50 steps. And I want to see the square has, okay, been drawing one by one. So I will put a delay. You can have, okay, you can remove the delay, the waiting period. If you don't want, you can remove, no problem. Okay, you can see the difference if you didn't use the waiting period and if you use the waiting period. So when I'm drawing the square, I want the drawing to start from the, like, going from here, left to right, down, and go from right to left and up. So if to have that, I need to use turn the degrees. Since it's a straight line and it's a 90 degrees, so it will be turned down 90 degrees. So when you click the green flag click, they will draw the circle. Sorry, why I repeat 40? Repeat 4 only, guys. Okay, so repeat 4. Okay. Why my pen color doesn't okay, doesn't change? Yesterday my pen color changed, today my pen color doesn't change. Let me see again. It's a hue. Yesterday we used hue. But why my pen color doesn't change? So 0 to 200. You guys having a pen color different or not?
No, miss. I think because once it picks a number, then it goes straight to the next command.
Suppose it changed. Yesterday it changed. Yesterday we have a color, different color. Yesterday we have change color. Suppose there you go, guys. Suppose change color like this. Supposed to change the color. Okay, guys, try to get try to add the set pen color. Choose any color, and then you try to click, and you see it's supposed to change like this, guys. Okay, it's supposed to change like this. Now, did you guys having a changing color for your shape?
No.
No? Screenshot.
I did the same thing as you, miss. Nothing.
Nothing. Suppose change. How many of you doesn't change the color? Just raise up your hand. I want to see. So 4 of you. Others? 5 of you. 6 of you. Others? Is it change the color or not?
Yeah, miss, my one change.
Yours change.
Miss, but I put the set color to, I just pick a random color, right? Then I put below the pen up, then change it.
You have the change hue.
No, I mean, right, I set the pen color to a random color, right? Then I put the block below the pen up.
The block below the pen up.
Yeah, correct.
The block below the pen up. Yeah, correct lah. Same like me. This pen up. This set pen hue.
No, miss. He meant the command there on the left, set pen color to something. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, this one.
And then put below pen up. Yeah, yeah.
But try, guys, for those who are having issue, because just now I show you guys, even you didn't put it, it's still working, right? So you guys try to put the set pen color, because we cannot put the pen color to random value, cannot, the value cannot be random because this color is being picked, so try to bring the set pen color, click at the pen color first, then you can remove, then you can try again. Try to play again. Green flag, play again.
Yeah, miss. If I click another green flag, then it will change to another color.
Okay, but is your code remain the same as mine in front here?
Yes.
So,
no. I added the set pen color before the pen. Yeah.
so you need to add on
Yeah.
very weird lah guys, because yesterday we don't have to put the set pen color. That's why that is the problem when we goes to the programming, guys. Okay, today it's working, tomorrow it's not working. So make sure, guys, make sure every time before you submit anything, you try again and again and again before the submission. I think there's a few of you when you submit your assignment for me to check. Then I say, and why yours? Your program or your games or your application is like this. It doesn't work properly, and then you say, hey miss, I tried, it's working. I tried from my computer and it's working. So please make sure, guys. Make sure. Okay, make sure. Double check multiple times. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's weird since yesterday we called the set pen hue and it's working normally, and today we need to use the set pen color, okay, to put here. So it's different. Okay, so but it's okay. If you didn't put the set pen color also can, but make sure you bring the set pen color to here first. Okay, and then just click and you can remove, then you can start again. No problem. Okay. Okay, guys. Suppose the position is here, center. Today the position don't want to be at the center. So what you can do? You can put the go to. Okay. You can put the go to center 0, 0. Okay. So here we go. I want to show you if you didn't have the pen up. So what happened when you don't have the pen up? We remove the coordinate. Okay. Let's say we put the go to random position. This is what happened, guys. The line, because the pen does not being up. So whenever you draw, it just draw with a line like this. So it's not nice, am I right? So make sure to always put the pen up. Okay. Now it's not going to have a pen up. Why my pen up doesn't working? Wait, okay. Now my pen up doesn't working anymore. See what that? See? See what I'm inform you guys. Okay. What I inform you guys. Just now it's working. Okay. Right now it's not working. Okay. So it's very difficult, guys. It's very difficult. So you must make sure. So make sure you have the pen up. So here we go. Go to random position. Today doesn't want to follow. So like when we have a mouse pointer, also it doesn't mean, okay, the pen up doesn't appear. Okay, I know, here we go. Okay. Okay, I know what is the problem now. Make sure you put the random position, you put the position before the pen down. Otherwise, it will be, it will be like a line, okay, with the drawing. So it's not nice when you draw, okay, when you draw a shape, okay, with the Okay, with the position, okay, with the line just now, am I right? So make sure when whatever you want to put, like changing the position, changing the pen color, put it before the pen down. Clear? Okay, yes, Ilalam, you have a questions. Clear, guys?
No question, miss. All clear, yeah.
But you raise up your hand. You and Rifat.
I didn't put my hand since the question, miss.
Okay.
Sorry.
So clear, guys, with my explanation. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So yes. You want to say something? Come.
Clear.
Oh, clear. Okay. So now let's redraw another shape. Okay. When we draw another shape, we want to change the pen color. Okay. You can change the pen hue. Okay, by 10. So that's mean whatever value they pick from 0 to 200, they will add by 10. So that will be the color. Okay. And then I want to draw a triangles. So triangle we have 1, 2, 3. So that's mean we will have a repeat 3. Not 30 guys, 3. Repeat 3. So we will have the same size of our square. So it's a move 50. So I will show you if you put later on, if you put less or greater than the same the value of the square, because I want to draw that they attach together. Okay, then 0.5 and the will be up lah. I don't want it to be down because I want to draw the triangle like this. 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it will be 120 degrees. So when you click the green flag, click, they will draw. So you will get a different color. Actually, it's a different color. Okay, you can see it's a different color. So you can get a different color. So here we go. So what happened if you make it turn down 120 and you say that, oh, I want 25 step only, half. So when you put half, okay, it will be like this. This is what we had. It will be turning down, okay, and it will be half. So this is what we don't want. We want 50 step, the same size as the square, and we want them to be up. So if you don't want to be up, you want to turn down as well, it can be look like a letter, an envelope, an envelope. It's look like an envelope. So you can draw something like this. So that's why I say, you learn a basic shape, but you will combine the shape to make a different object or image, a different drawing. So let's say just now I put it turn in down 120 degrees. So it becomes an envelope. But when I put it up, it become like a small storehouse, something like that. Okay, clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay. And for the first tutorial, the last shape that I will teach you is circle. Okay. So you want to change the color. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Maybe you say change the color by 20. Okay. And then you say that I want to change the pen size for my circle to you say that just now is 3, so you say it's 6 lah. Thick. Okay, very thick. So circle is the very easiest one. So it's a 360, a round shape. So what we can do is we can have 360. Move one. Turn down one. Okay, but what happened here? They will draw here again. So I want to draw in a different position. So when you want to draw in a different position, don't forget to have a pen up. Find a position for your circle. So I'll choose random position, and don't forget about your pen down. So whenever you click a green flag, click, they will draw a square and a circle. This is circle. Random position, so you just randomly. You see, when you change the size, pen size to 6, okay? So it become, okay, change pen size by 6, 6 plus 3, so it become 9. So it become thicker here. Random position. You can see. That is your circle. So if you want to draw a semicircle, you just put it here 180. Then they will draw a semicircle. Why I will circle it down there? Okay. So random position. This is what happened, guys. So they will draw a semicircle. So this is a semicircle. So if you want to make your drawing to become in point without having like this one, turn round, turn down the direction. So you go to motion, you put point in direction, okay, 90 degrees. So when you put, okay, the direction, so they will always put the direction 90 degrees. So they will not having like different side or different direction. Just only for your circle, because we put the random position, that is why they will just draw anywhere they like. So if you want to put a specific, so just put a specific value here, 50. Okay. So just draw, okay. So this is 50 and negative 50. So they will draw there. Okay, they will draw there. So we know that 50 and negative 50, the coordinate is here. The position was here. So they will just draw. So that is a semicircle. So if circle 360.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Is it possible to determine the coordinate we want?
Okay. Okay. If in Scratch and BYOB, we can see the coordinate here, right? At the bottom here. Am I right? I'm not sure whether,
yeah.
if you guys happen to open the Scratch and BYOB, but I will show you guys. Okay. Yes, Snap doesn't provide. Okay. But what you can do is, Okay, you can see it's BYOB inside here. So whenever you point your mouse, you can see the value. Okay, Snap doesn't provide. Okay, but what you can do is you remember the coordinate direction that we have. Like, okay, in Scratch we have this position X and Y. But in Snap they doesn't provide. So what you can do is you can just try an error, okay, or you can open BYOB to see the coordinate. But one thing I'm sure is this is Y, 180 to negative 180. This is X. One thing I'm sure is 240 to negative 240. That is the value. So if you want to put the coordinate, the X must be between 240 to negative 240 and Y is between negative 180 to 180. Okay, so that is the between. Clear?
Yes.
X is between negative 240 to 240. Okay, I will put inside the meeting chat so you guys can refer lah later on. Okay, 280. So here we go. Like this. Okay. Okay. Clear. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, sir, miss.
Okay. Okay. So what you can see from these scripts or syntax or the code, is it too long and make you need to scroll down the script and you cannot see the whole script in one page? So is it easier for you? Or you think that, oh my God, if I have a long code, how I want to check one by one if I had an error? So do you think that it's okay for you to have this long code, long program? Or you think that it's quite difficult? Your answer will be related to what we want to do after this. So I ask you a question, so just answer, guys.
I think so far still can manage this.
Okay, so far still can be managed, but this one is still small code lah. Okay, it's not that too long the code. But if let's say in your assignment when you develop the big application, it will become very long and you have many more line of codes, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you still remember what we have learned in a procedure, the custom block, meaning the purpose of custom block means we want, okay, the purpose of custom block, which is a procedure lah, we want to make, okay, a long program into a part, into a small part, but it's still working exactly as like a long script that we had. So here we go. Okay, that's why I say it's related. The procedure, okay, with the pen is related. After this, second tutorial, I will show you that we use broadcasting with the pen and with the custom block as well. Okay, so here we go. So I would like to have a pen setting. Okay, so which categories that you think is the best for us to make a custom block for the pen setting? Which categories that you think it's suitable for us to use, okay, to make the pen setting? Which one? Which category?
Pen.
Okay, you want to use pen, okay? No problem. So we go to pen. So we go to pen, we choose make a block. But if let's say suddenly you say, I don't want to use pen lah, I want to use other categories. Can, no problem. You can always change it here. No problem. No problem. You can always change it here and the category color also will be changed lah. So you choose pen, so we use pen. So I say pen setting. You guys follow as well, Follow as well. Did you guys follow me? Done.
Yes,
Choose
miss.
command. Okay, choose command. Okay. Once you have done choosing the command, okay. Once you have done choosing the command, click OK. Just for all sprite. So this is the block editor for your custom block. What you can do, I bring this one into here. All of them. I put aside the square. I bring the pen setting into here and then I click OK. So once you click OK, your pen setting is under pen palette inside here. So just bring it here and you can put again here. That is your custom block, the pen setting. Okay. Okay, next. I want to make a small part for my square. Since after this, I'm thinking to have another square on my stage or on my screen. So I would like to reuse the custom block. So I want to create one custom block for square. You guys want to use which category? Which category that you think that suitable for our square? Which category is suitable for our square, for our block, custom block? Which category? Which category?
The pen category.
You want to use another pen category. Okay, can, no problem. You want to use all green color also can, but sometimes it can make you confused, because this one is the, we know is a custom block, but this one is not custom block. This is a command, okay, command block from the pen palette, but also can, no problem. But make sure you don't have a confusing about this one. So square, you bring all this you bring all this repeat 4 inside here. Okay, so bring square here. Become shorter, right? Your program becomes shorter, right? Guys? Your program becomes
Yes,
shorter.
miss.
Shorter, am I
Very
right?
comfortable.
Comfortable to read, am I right? Okay, another one. We want to put the triangle into a custom block. Choose another category, guys. Don't choose don't choose pen. Try to use other categories. Try to use other categories as well. Which category you want to use?
Motion.
Motion, can, no problem. We can go to motion. Okay, you can choose motion and then We put triangle. Okay, okay. So we bring this triangle into here. We click OK, then put triangle here. So much more better than the previous one, which is you don't have to scroll down, scroll up to see the code. And when you click the green flag click, it's working as usual, guys. It's still working. Just okay. Right now, you put them into a procedure. Make a block. The procedure name, make a block, the custom block. So if you see that I want to add another square lah, you say, after I draw my triangle, I want to add another square. You say that you want to add another square. Just go to pen palette and bring the square, put after the triangle. You say you want to draw another square. Then they will draw the square. They will definitely draw the square, see? They will definitely draw the square. But of course, they will overlapping the previous square because we didn't put any position changing. So what you can do is, you can have this. Okay, I will put the turn down between triangle and square. I think it's 15 degrees is just nice. Okay, so they will draw. So it will be like this. So if you don't want 15 degrees, you can have another 90 degrees. Not 90 degrees. I think I put a wrong value. 90 degrees. Okay. So you can have the 90 degrees. Okay. You will have a 90 degrees. So they will draw beside. So you need to change the position only. So you can call the square. So if you want to do for a circle, also can. Choose any of the categories. Let's say you want to use control as a category for the circle. So I say make a block, circle. Okay. Then we just bring the circle one. Then we bring here. It's still working as usual, guys. They will still working as usual. They're still working. This is our circle.
Miss.
Ah.
So when we create a random block, right? It doesn't matter where. I mean, if you create a random custom block, it doesn't matter where we create, right? It will still be the same.
Yeah, because you still can choose the category.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. Where one you prefer that you have a separating the codes into parts. Okay. So separating the codes into parts, you can use two types. You know that you have two types. Okay, two ways to separating the codes into parts. The first one is using the broadcasting and receiving. The second one is using the custom block, the one that you just learned today. Okay. There is no difference somewhere. There is no difference. Okay. There is no difference in picking a category. Okay. Category is just based on your like lah. If you like using under motion, so you choose motion. But usually we pick the category based on what we have done for that purpose. So we know that, for example, actually it's better for our drawing part. Okay, you can right click to edit the code, right click, edit. Since we use a repeat, to draw the circle, to draw the triangle, to draw the square, it's better for you to use the same color category. So you know that you are using the because you are using the repeat command. So it's better to use the same categories from the one that you use, the command that you use, but it's still okay. It's still okay if you want to choose. That's why when you say that, Miss, square also I want to use green color. I don't have any problem. You want to use green color, you want to use blue color, no issue, no difference. You can use that. Because usually when you submit, I will go to each category. When the student submit, okay, your works, doesn't matter it's the lab test 2 or the individual project, doesn't matter. When students submitted their work, I will go to each category and scrolling down to see whether they had the custom block or not. So that's why I say it doesn't matter. There is no difference. But usually sometimes students, they say that I don't want the color, I just want to use the others. So when you choose others, it will belong to others categories. Okay, it will belong, I'm not sure others for Snap they will go where, but we can try. Okay, yes, the others, it will belong under make a block here. Okay, under variables below here. But if you choose variables, okay, variables, let's say I give you example, if you choose variable, they will belong under here as well, but with a different color, follow the variable colors. So if in BYOB, variables, if you use a make a block variables, they will be below here. If you use a list, they will be below here. The others, gray color, they will be under here. But in Snap, everything for variable, list, and the others, they will be below here. So if you go to pen, so if you choose make a block for others under pen, you can see, is it they will go here. Okay. So is it they will go here or they will go to so they will go to variable here, the others. Others always will go to under variable here. It will be gray color. So if you don't want to use other categories, you want to use others, also can, no problem. So is it clear somewhere? And everyone else, is it clear?
Yes.
Because just now, which part you want me to repeat somewhere? Which part? You can delete if you don't want to. Make sure you don't put any block that you never use. So just delete them. Okay? So we categorize based on what we think the custom block does. Yes, correct. Yes, Miss, I saw that we are required to make at least one custom in the, yeah, correct. Oh, coordinate. Coordinate, this one. 180, I think I already insert, okay, the message. 180, negative 180, that is Y. Okay, X is negative 240 to 240. So that is X. So you pick randomly the value between that in negative 180 to 180 for Y and negative 240 to 240 for X. You just repeat. You just choose. Sorry, you just repeat pula. Okay. You just choose. You just choose between that. I think I put there inside the meeting chat as well, because you can refer as well inside the meeting chat. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
clear, miss. Yeah, clear, miss.
Clear. So good, very good. So now I want you to save the work as we want to proceed to the next, the last tutorial for today's. Of course, during the tutorial, I teach you how to do it. Later on, during the exercise, you need to try by yourself first, and then of course I will discuss with you. Remember, okay? You guys know me, right? So during tutorial, I show you the demo on how to do or to use the custom block and the pen block. Then later on, once we had our exercise questions, it's not today lah, of course it's not today, okay? Once we had the exercise question, you guys need to try by your own first. And then once you have done, we will discuss as usual. Okay, done. Save the file. I will also save the file lah. I will also save the file. Because I never had this file inside the put block and pen. I never had this inside Snap. I always have it inside my BYOB only. So need to do this. Okay, done. So we have a new one. Okay, new one. Okay, done. Done. Done saving the file and open a new
Yes.
empty. Okay, good.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so the last tutorial that we will have to you will have today is we will have 3 different sprite. Okay, so I would like you to have the first sprite. You can have any costume, but I prefer is a human or people. Okay, I will use this one. This one ABC. A. 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 Oh, suddenly my Chrome is stuck. Okay, so this is the first sprite. So second sprite, I want to have a pencil. Okay, I want to have a pencil or pen. You can find it here. Scroll down, go and find any pencil because this pencil will help us to draw. Okay, I will use pencil A. Okay. 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 And the last sprite. This will be a little bit not difficult lah. Extra step. We need to have extra step. Okay, what I mean by extra step? That means in Snap, we don't have creating a sprite using like to write a text. So when we don't have this, what you can do is you guys can open pen editor, the pen editor here, the pen editor. Opening the pen editor, and you can type the text here. Okay, press space bar to continue. Okay, you can have like this, and make sure you crop. Okay, you have a text transparent. So okay, but I want to inform you guys. Okay, I like to inform you guys, even you choose a transparent and you save as PNG, we know that pen editor is a BMP, okay, it's a bitmap. So when it's a bitmap, so they still have the background color, the white color. So if you have any other pen editor tools like Adobe Photoshop or whatsoever, you can use that. But for now, I show you the basic one. I have Adobe Photoshop, but I will not use that because I know not everyone having the Adobe Photoshop. So we use this one. You can select. Okay, I will select only this area, and then I will crop. So this part will be press a space bar to continue. I will save them. Okay, I will save them as PNG. Okay, usually when we save as PNG, okay, it doesn't appear the background, but since pen editor is the bitmap editor, so it's still showing you. So just put lah. Okay, I put space. Space, then done. Go to your snap. Mine I get free one lah, of course. I get APU credential. So that's why I get it. Previously I also don't have money. It's very expensive. But later during off record I will tell you how. If you don't want to buy. Okay. Okay. So we go to the snap. And you can go to the folder that you saved just now inside desktop. Don't forget you can just bring. So you bring. Oh, sorry. I bring into a wrong area. Okay, so you add a new a new sprite first. Okay, you add a new sprite, and then you can bring the. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is your third sprite. You can put below here. Okay, so you can name your sprite accordingly. So I give name AB for first sprite, second sprite, pencil, and the third sprite, space bar. Okay, space bar. Of course lah, it's normal guys. When we study, of course sometimes we don't have money to buy the software because the software is not free. Luckily lah, luckily that our computational thinking, our visual programming is using a free software lah. If you use the later on next semester for 60 students, you will learn Adobe Animate, if I'm not mistaken, for the multimedia. So that one you will use the virtual lab from APU. Okay, they will give you the virtual lab access if you are not going back to the campus lah, because you are not fully vaccinated. But it's better if you going back, as you can access the lab directly. But it also can be virtually accessed. Okay. Okay, done. Done setting up your sprite. Are you done setting up your sprite?
Yeah, yes, miss, I'm done.
It's okay if you want more time, just let me know, eh? You guys know, right? If you let me know, I will give you the time. So just let me know. Okay, can. Can, no problem. I didn't use the snipping tools. I used the crop tools inside the pin editor. I didn't use any snipping tools. I know snipping tools. See? Paint 3D also can. Your friend said that paint a 3D also can. I know snipping tool is like a screenshot, right? No, I'm not screenshot. Eh? Done? If you are done, let me know, eh? Then I will explain what we want to do, eh? For the the last tutorials for today's, what we want to do. I will inform you. Done. Samuel? How about others? Are you done?
I'm done, miss.
Done. Okay. Okay. Okay, Saad. Okay. There's still some of your friends didn't finish yet, so we wait, guys. Oh, so using a Paint 3D, you have an option to transparent. Okay. And it's working, Wave 1. And it's working, Wave 1, because it's like a long time I never used the Paint editor. You guys know? Usually I will use only the Adobe Photoshop. So that's why I'm asking you. So it's can where one? Done? Saat, are you done? Let I try for a while. Huh? I'm still having the background, guys, even though using a 2D. Okay. Okay. Done, Everyone done, Hey, why yours is having like this, Mine don't have like that. Where one? Open with the edit with Paint 3D editor, but it doesn't show me like this one, PNG image, transparency, no, I cannot choose that one. Still similar. Maybe I need to find it out. How? Thank you, Wehwan. Okay, for sharing with us. Okay, so let's proceed, guys. Done, So if you have done, I also want you to change the background, So changing a background, you choose which background you want to use. I understand that inside the background costume, it doesn't give you a lot of choices. It doesn't give you a lot of choices. So what you can do, you can find it out here. Okay, you can find the background from the browser. Okay, and then you can save the file, and you can always bring in the background into your application. So no problem. So I want to use indoors like room number 3. So I will bring here lah. So this is my Okay, this is my background. I want to use this background. Okay, so you guys can download as well. This background doesn't have in the costume. You need to download. Or if you have a BYOB, you can use from BYOB because this background is from BYOB. Okay, okay. So if you have done, let me proceed. You have no idea wave 1 why I'm not having it, right? I also don't know lah wave 1. I choose when we choose a save as, right? We save as an image, am I right? Wave 1, save as image. But the format is still like I don't have this one. I don't have this. Doesn't appear this one. It's okay lah. Okay. Maybe this computer Paint 3D editor is not updated. Maybe. I say maybe, maybe. So we are in the same shoes, somewhere. Okay, so let's guys, we continue. So are you ready? Are you guys ready?
Yes,
Ready,
miss.
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Okay, so go to the third sprite, which is the press space bar to continue. We will start from the third sprite. Doesn't matter, guys, where you want to start the program. Doesn't matter. As long as you know what is the sprite doing. Okay, what is the task that you want to assign for that sprite? So doesn't matter where you want to start. So our task today, okay, our program today is we want to create one simple drawing program. A drawing program where the user will insert the value, like how many shape you want to have, okay, okay, what is the size of the shapes, okay, what is the okay, the side that we want, the edges that we want for the shape. So it will depends on what we enter. So this program give us a choices that we can restart again the program whenever they have do the drawing. So of course we have the press space bar to continue. So we space bar to continue. Whenever we click this space bar, we click space bar. So we are not clicking this one. Whenever we click the space bar on our keyboard, this sprite tree will hidden or disappear, and AB will appear because to start the program. So let me start. We will have two control, one when the green flag click and another one when I receive. So when the green flag click, we hide because we don't want to see all the sprite on our screen at the beginning. So we hide them. Okay, we hide them. So whenever they receive a message, so click at the drop down arrow here, click new and choose done. Okay, choose done. Okay, when I receive done, what you will do? You will show the text, and forever, if you press the space bar, means you key space press, you will broadcast to start. Okay, broadcast, new message, start. And then you hide again your text. But right now it doesn't appear, guys. It doesn't working yet because we didn't put any script. Okay, that respond to the broadcast. Okay. Okay. Then we go to AB. Are you done? Are you done? For the space bar, are you done?
Yes, miss.
How about others?
Yeah, miss.
Yeah, done, because this one very simple, right? This one very simple one. So next, go to AB. AB also will have when a green flag click, so it will broadcast. Start. Okay. So AB also will have two types of controller. One is when I receive, start, and one is when a green flag click. Since we want to do the drawing, we clear at the beginning. Okay, clear. And we ask to show AB at the beginning. Okay. And we set the positions. So I would like to set AB position. So the 147 negative 47. I just give random value, guys. Okay. And then I want to make sure it's always in a 90 degrees, standing up straight, not going any position. Okay. Rotation. Okay. Okay. AB will introduce something. So maybe we'll say, welcome my drawing program. So AB say that I will draw any polygon using the information that you provide. Any polygon, okay? Any polygon based on the user value. So user are the one who will enter the value. So let's we begin asking them a questions. Okay, asking them a questions. So we say, how many sides does your polygon have? So make sure to have a variables, guys. Make a variable side. Then set the side to answer. Make sure to have a variable. Okay, set the size to answer. And ask another questions. So you will collect three information from the user. Okay. Okay. How many polygon you would like me to draw? How many? The quantity. So create another variables. Make sure for all sprite, guys. Since pencil also will use this these variables. So you can put as name them as a quantity. Okay, then we set the quantity to answer. And the last questions, the size, the length of your polygon. So you say, give me a number between, maybe you don't want 50, you say you want to start from 20. So you can say 20, between 20 to 200 for the size of the polygon. Then we create another variable, length. Okay, or you want to put size also can, no problem. As long as it's a meaningful name. Set length to answer. Make sure create a variable, guys. Wow. Miss Azia already started. Okay, why our AB is here? Because we have 140. So I want to have like this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. So then, once we set, we broadcast draw a new message, another new message draw to a pencil, broadcast draw and hide AB. That's why we have show in front here. Okay, we hide and we show them. Make sure, guys. This is what I noticed. Okay, what I noticed that student always use hide, but forget to use show again. When you forget to use show, then doesn't work properly. So make sure whenever you use hide, at the beginning, put a show. Okay? Very hard to see my, okay. Now you can see. Now you can see. Smaller, right? But if I put control plus, then it's like this one. So now you can see. This one put here lah. Now you can see. Now you can see, guys. Luckily, we use Snap. If we use BYOB, we cannot zoom in, zoom out, guys. Smaller. You need to open, okay, your eyes very wide lah. Okay. Okay, done. All right. Good one. Good idea, Wave 1. Okay, good idea. Because we don't have any chat, right? We didn't load any chat during the class. So it's okay lah if you close the meeting chat. Good idea. Okay, you guys can follow Wave 1. It's a good idea. So can we proceed to the next one? So you open both, Ilalam. You open both, Ilalam. Handphone. Handphone for the... Okay, you open handphone for the Teams, Microsoft Teams. So good idea as well, guys. Guys, you see, you can follow your friends. Thank you for sharing. Okay, come. Let's proceed. Okay, the last one. Then we can finish our class. As long as you understand. Okay, so pencil. The last one, pencil. So pencil will get the value that the user entered. Okay, so here we go. Pencil will also have to, when the green flag click and when I receive. So when the green flag click, we hide the pencil. We want to hide everything, guys. Only AB will appear like this one. Okay. Since we already have the clear inside here, so when I receive draw, make sure you choose when I receive draw. We put the pen setting, pen up. We put the pen color Okay, set the pen color. Okay, you put the pen color. You put the pen color, and then you put the pen size. So depends on you how. Okay, if you want to make 3, I want to make 5. Okay, set the pen size, and then I say I want to draw in the center. Okay, so go to X and then pen down. Okay, pen down, and then show. Don't forget to show your pencil. Otherwise, how your pencil want to draw? Okay, then we start drawing the polygon. So drawing a polygon, we will have 2 repeats. Okay, one is to get the quantity. Okay, so you will have a variable quantity inside here. One is to do how many sides. Okay, so the actual polygon that we want to draw is here. Repeat side. We move. It depends on the user, the length. Okay, and I will use wait lah. Wait a few seconds. Maybe 0.3 seconds. Oh, no, 10 0.3 seconds. Not too long and not too short. Okay, and then my degrees, okay, my degrees will be based on the formula that I will enter. So I say that 300, we know that we have 360 degrees. That will be divided by the side. So if we enter the side was 5, so 360 will be divided by 5. Okay, and then for the how many we want to repeat. So the same as we will have a turn up using a formula as well. So it will depends on the, okay, the degrees will be depends on 360 divided by the quantity. And then I say every time they draw a new polygon, okay, they will change the pen hue, the pen color by 10. Everything. So then we broadcast done to the spacebar, and we hide the pencil. Where is the looks? We hide the pencil. Okay, I will make it smaller. Okay, it's a little bit. Okay, so here we go. So when you click a green flag click, everything will be okay, close down. Okay, hidden. So how many sides? I say I want to have 5. How many polygon you want, like you would like me to draw? And then I say I want to have 20 polygons. Okay, and give a numbers be 20 to 200. So I say the size will be only 40. So they will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You get a nice polygon with a nice pattern. So press spacebar to continue. Then continue. You repeat. You will restart again. So how many sides does your polygon have? You say 6. Different. This time is different. How many polygon? You say I just want 10 lah. Okay. So then you say it's 60. So they will draw 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to show you 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just like a flower. So the more quantity that you enter, it will be very close to each other. So this is the program, the drawing program that you have just created during the tutorial. So you get like a flowers. I can see it's like a hibiscus flowers.
Miss, can you go back to the Abby script for?
Oh, can. But make sure you call the broadcast and you call it okay, the broadcasting, receiving in the correct way. Okay, make sure, guys. Done.
Miss, my drawing is without color. I don't know what is the problem.
Huh? Screenshot your AB code. Not the AB code. Pencil code.
Okay.
Pencil code. Screenshot your pencil code. Nice program. Good. I'm very happy that you like it. Finally, I can be an artist. Moon Heng, screenshot. Pen up, set pen hue. Oh. Change pen hue. You see, guys, I didn't use the set pen color, right? I just used directly the set pen hue and it's working. That's why I say sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. So it's happened to you, right, Moon Heng? So what you can do, try to bring the set pen color and click at the set pen color and try again, run again, and then try to put the value in any value lah. You can put up more than 10. So try again and check. Try to check. Try to check, Moon Heng. Try to do something like.
I press, but it's still the same, like no color there.
No color there. It doesn't be like mine.
Yeah, it doesn't be like you.
Oh, but the program is correct. Try to put the set pen color before the pen hue and choose any color. any color, any different color, and then try again. Check. Check, Moon Heng. Okay. Other student, everyone get the output, right? So if you get the output, I will give you the attendance. Moon Heng, don't worry, you just proceed, try and error. So I will give you the attendance, guys, and I will see you at 4:30 for your lecture class. Today is our last topic for our lecture. Then next week we will do tutorials only until our our last class that we will have the lab test, week 12. Okay. Moon Heng, don't worry. Just change the one that I asked you to change, and let me check. Is it working, Moon Heng?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
guys.
working now.
It's working now. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
but the shape is very small. I don't know why.
Oh, small.
Yeah.
Check the value that you enter. So maybe the size, because we put 20 to 200. So if you put the value is 20, okay, for the length, then it will be small lah. Your program will be small. Check the quantity, check the length, check the size as well. Okay. Mine is bigger because I choose 70. That's why it's bigger. So if I change it, guys, sign attendance. Okay, are you done signing the attendance? Thank you. Okay, why I stop the sharing? So I want to show Moon Heng. Okay, so if let's say I change to this, you can see, guys, everyone, all students, you can see. So I say I want to have 5. So I say I want to have 10, and then I say only the 20. So it will be very small lah. It depends on the length that we enter. So if we enter 20, it will be very small like this one. So check the value that you enter. Because
okay, now it's working.
Because if you ask the questions, there is 3 different questions: size, quantity, and the length. So it will be very light. Okay. So you can see it likes it's like a toys, toys that you can get it easily. When you go to the night market, when you go to the market, you can get these toys with the lamp. So it's similar. So you can create one. Okay, thank you for today. So I hope you guys understand. Whatever I ask you to do, whatever I babbling to you guys, is not for me. It's for you guys. I just want you guys to become very good in a programming. Doesn't matter you are engineering or you are CT students. Okay. It will be very sad when my student doesn't understand for me. So then that's why I'm sorry if I keep asking you, repeatedly asking you, understand, and you keep boring, you feel like I'm scolding you, I'm babbling at you, and you don't like me, then I'm very sorry about that, okay? I cannot lah, because I want to make sure all the students understand. If you have fun learning, I'm happy. If you are not having fun learning, I cannot, okay, I cannot help you. I don't know what else I can do for make sure that you have fun in learning. Okay, especially during these online classes, difficult times, in our difficult times. Okay, thank you for today. Stay safe, everyone. Bye. See you at 4:30. Bye bye. Okay, bye. Stay safe.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye bye. Thank you.